Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to take it apart your winch Provantage. This should be good for winches from 2000 up to 4500. They're very similar. That's the tools, the most important tools. So flathead, little pick tool, and Allen key, 4mm or 732. So in order to take it apart, you just need to remove those two bolts, as you can see, 1 and 2, and you can split your winch on two sides. This is the motor side and this is your gear side. So like I said, very simple. Just take those two screws out and you're gonna be able to split it. Give me a second. This is Provantage 3000. I try to look for parts diagram on the Vintage website and on WARN website, and I couldn't find it specifically for 3000. They only have 2500 and 3500. I guess this is because this winch comes only for BRP, for Can-Ams. So now you're gonna be able to split your winch on two parts. So like I said before, this is your motor side. We're gonna get to it later. And this is your gear side. So remove your drum slowly by removing it. There is small piece inside your drum. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so there is two seals on the both sides of the drum. There is two seals. One of them goes here, the other one is right here. That's your two seals. All right, don't be afraid, you can mix them. All right, now take this piece out. In order to take the gears out, to inspect them, you need to remove those two screws using same Allen key. Depends on the winch, it might be different, but in my case 3000 pound winch has 732. Alright, so remove those two screws, and now you're gonna be able to remove your plate. There is another seal, as you can see. Remove the seal. And now you're gonna be able to remove your gears. So very simple. Be careful, don't drop anything. There is one-way bearing and another spool. So remove all of this stuff. As you can see, I already take it apart my winch. I clean the parts and I lubricate them well. So this is your gears guy. You can go to warn.com and you can order any part that you need. So open your winch, inspect your parts, clean them using degreaser or whatever. You can use diesel or whatever. So clean it, lubricate it well, inspect it, so it should work. Everything should work like in my case. All right, now we're gonna take spool mechanism, the spool mechanism. All right, very simple. Just push those two pins using your flathead on one side, on another side. Remove that cover. There is snap ring. You can use small flathead or something similar. Be careful when you remove, it might fly in your eye. So hold it with your finger, just like that. Yes, be super careful. Now you can remove that cover. This is your spool mechanism. Pull it up. There is two pins. All right, leave them there. There is Torx 20, I think Torx 15, 6 screws. So in order to remove them, just use your Torx 15 screwdriver. So there is another seal, nothing here. So another seal is here. Don't break it. Right, seal, spring, there is a bearing and 2 plates. As you can see, I check it everything and oil it, and that's how it goes. So, oh my god, hard to do it, everything is slip. And there is also 2 seals. So pay attention to seals, guys. You can go, like I said, to WARN and you can order all the seals. Before you open your winch, it's better to have it. My seals was in good condition, but I got water inside my winch, so I didn't order the seals. I'm gonna keep it next year. I'm gonna replace them. So put everything back like it was before, tighten up, blah 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 stuff. I'll do it later. Now I'm gonna take apart the motor. This is our motor. Remove that piece. That goes like this. This is one-way clutch or something. I'm not sure what is this. I'm just showing you what's inside the winch. If you wanna do the maintenance on your winch, you have to do it at least once a year. Depends how you're riding. I'm gonna show you my part number. Maybe you have the same. You're gonna feel some force. Okay. I hope you can see. This is part number. This is the part number. Okay. This is the starter inside. Just for magnets. Vacuum everything. Expect it should be clean. Nothing should be breaking. And this is our motor. There is 4 brushes on the sides and there is another seal, as you can see. So inspect your brushes. They should be more than half. And make sure everything is clean. Everything is pins. And that's it, guys. For now, that's it. Basically, that's it. Just put everything back in reverse. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and comment what else should I record next.